Aselsan Sivas was found to nationalize the serial production of the electro-optical products, including their optical, optomechanical components. With the help of Aselsan's know-how and technological background, Aselsan Sivas undertook a rapid progress in a short period of time. Aselsan Sivas is accomplishing the nationalization of manufacturing of day sights, sniper scopes, night vision goggles, thermal sights, night vision and thermal clip-ons, and electro-optical products, including their optical and optomechanical components. In this aspect, Aselsan Sivas is the pioneer and leader in Turkey and is one of the most important brands in the world market. In the optical manufacturing department, grinding, polishing, centering, and precision measuring processes are being operated. The optical components are measured with interferometers and profilometers in each quality steps in order to comply with the design documents. Aselsan Sivas Optical Manufacturing Department has the capability of manufacturing concave, convex, and planar visible optics as far as the prisms, filters, spherical and aspherical surfaces and windows. In the optical thin film coating department, thin film coatings are processed with physical vapor deposition (PVD) method on the lens surfaces with having transmission values greater than 99.6% and reflectivity values greater than 98%. High-precision thin film coating processes lead the company to coat all the optical components like lenses, prisms, windows, and filters having wavelength from ultraviolet to near infrared. In the mechanical manufacturing department, 5 microns precision tolerances are achieved according to the design documents. 5-axis vertical milling and 5-axis horizontal turning machining centers are being utilized for precise mechanical machining operations. The quality control of all the mechanical parts are carried by 100% with coordinate measuring machines and with other high-precision measurement devices. In the assembly departments, the optical and electromechanical subassemblies are assembled first. As far as the subassemblies are finalized, their preliminary optical performance tests such as MTF and EFL are carried out. After finishing the subassemblies, other components and accessories are assembled according to the design documents. The final electro-optical tests for the final products start with optical performance tests and continue with environmental condition tests such as high temperature, cold temperature, shock, vibration, water tightness. AS9100 and AS9700 quality standards are applied for all the electro-optical products in Aselsan Sivas. Aselsan Sivas's electro-optical products have been utilized in real combat conditions by Turkish Army, and they are demanded by the customers from all over the world. Our products: A100 monocular night vision goggles, which are exported to all over the world, having third-generation image intensifying tube, fixed-focused thermal objectives used in different cooled and uncooled thermal cameras. Continuous zoom thermal objectives used in different cooled and uncooled thermal cameras. Red dots, reflex sights, A600 night vision clip-on, mini TSD thermal clip-on, A940 1x4x day sights, which are proudly used by Turkish Army, A960 1x4x day sights, which are proudly used by Turkish Army, KND 3 to 12 sniper scopes, which can be used between 3 to 12 magnification levels with manual zoom capability. KND 5 to 25 sniper scopes, which can be used between 5 to 25 magnification levels with manual zoom capability. Aselsan Sivas, sector leader for day sights and night vision devices in Turkey, are proud to serve high-quality products to valuable customers in all over the world. Aselsan Sivas.